4. That the lime out, cut him out the head.
Okay.
5. They cut on his mouth. 2. Cut on his head. Oh wow.
This is called Treasure X Alien. Will you find real gems? Dissect the alien.
Yeah, let's fight.
This is the bottom. So it's a 12 level of adventure. 1 rip, 2 mission, 3 tool, 4 cut, 5 map, 6 dissect, 7 rescue, 8 treasure, 9 fritter, and 10 11 play, 12 store. Okay, let's open it, Ethan. There is a pew here.
Two here. It doesn't out.
The one is cut along the danger line. Find and remove the alien. That look like the tweezer.
How did you drop it? How did you drop it?
I'll drop it.
Oh,
This one it's like tweezer. So this one has teeth. And this is the base.
what did you do?
Oh God. Yeah, this thing is very well packed. Okay, so anytime you can try to figure it out and look at this. This is the instruction how to open. This is what you do.
And he belly.
In his belly.
I
Oh,
did it.
Ethan got it.
I thought
Wow, Ethan got it open.
you did it.
Good job, baby. What in here? Why Ethan has his head out, Ethan?
Put his head out? Can you
What is this one? Let's see. Let me see it. Oh my. Okay. Pull the head. So Ethan did pull the head. Squeeze the head. Fill head with ooze. Nothing in there. The fill with the ooze container. This is the ooze container. Nothing in there. Unwrap and find the X tool in your mission card. Use the X tool to saw along the danger line and through the energy cell. I guess with the kids, they don't need to follow the instruction and they'll be able to figure it out on their own. Cut your tummy. No, cut along this line. You're supposed to cut along this line. Here, poke this here, poke in here. Just seesaw, seesaw. Yeah, seesaw. No, start from here, baby. Move along. Seesaw, move along. Up, down. Up, down. It's a little tricky.
I got it. I got one.
Don't cut all the way out. Oh, look like it's been killed something in there. Where's the teeth? There you go. You gotta face the teeth on the line. So this is a little tricky for this 4-year-old boy to work with it. Adult need to participate and help the child open. Let me help you then, okay?
Or maybe like
Yes, cut him off.
cut his belly off.
Oh my, see what's inside. That look like his. It's all this gut here. Look like a skeleton. This is his bone. what's in it. What's in it? Is it empty? Look inside. It's empty. It is empty. Okay, let's open this bag. Yeah, you poke it. No, there's a bag in there. So what you do, you need the tweezer and poke them open. Just protect all the little mini slime from falling out. There it is. Oh my. It's yucky? What is it to put in here, Ethan? Something in his belly. This is the fun part. When you leave everything in his tummy. You just pick them out one by one in his tummy. Oh my, what this alien is eating, Ethan? What is aliens eating in his tummy? Oh my. Anything else in there, Ethan, or that's it? What is he eating in his tummy? Is something? Anything else? Huh? That's it? Look how this way. Yeah, that's it. Oh. Ew. It's like slime. Yucky. This is gut, Ethan. His belly stuff. Ew. That's so funny. Let's check it out in his belly here. What's gonna be? Is this gonna be jam? Yeah, put in here. What is it? What is in his tummy? What else does he eat? Looks like an animal. Looks like an animal. What else does he eat? Oh, what is that? Huh? Is it yucky?
We eat the guy.
You eat that guy? You gotta clean him up, baby.
I gotta clean him up. Ew. Yucky. Oh, we have to clean him up. Ew. Yucky. Let's put it.
Ethan likes slime, but it's coming from the alien body, so it's kind of like gross him out a little bit. Yeah, Ethan. Disgusting.
Yep. I think it cuts inside. We need the heater.
That's a freezer. What do you do with them? You just cut them out. You have to do what with this guy, Ethan? Go clean up him, okay? This is what Ethan found out so far in this alien tummy. This guy, Ethan, can you find a match? Can you find a match, baby? Who is he in this picture? Yes, good job. It's this lot. Lost this lot. So, what else? What about the purple one? Is that jam? Do you find jam, Ethan? He's holding something?
Are they holding this one? They're making hold this one. They can turn.
His leg can turn? Can he move his arms around?
No, he cannot.
Yes,
He can.
Yes, you can. What else can he do?
Sticky head. Oh, I broke him.
Oh, you broke his head?
He can open his head. He can. Then he can open his foot.
Open his foot? So, did you find gems in this in his alien body? Did you find gem or jewelry? What's a gem? Did you find gem?
Gem.
Isn't that real gem? You put the slime in his head?
Here
Ethan just put all the slime in there and then he just squeeze it.
Then put it again, Mommy, again.
Yeah.
Let's put it.
Squeeze it out from there, Ethan.
You have to dig it out.
Let's make funny noise, Ethan. I think that's it, Ethan.
Two more.
A few more?
Let's dig it out.
Yeah, look at his face. You're not happy, Ethan.
He ate me.
He's angry. He doesn't look like happy. You keep squeezing him out.
Cut it out.
Oh, look what Ethan did to this guy. Oh, that is so cute. He is holding something. His weapon. He's holding his weapon. There it is. Ethan is so right.
Yeah.
He pointed out at this guy. He did a match earlier, and he is holding his weapon. Ethan, where's the purple guy? Where's the purple guy? Who is he? Who is he? Can you find it in here?
I found it. Oh, there.
You found it?
Oh, there.
Is this guy? This guy?
Mm-hmm.
It's upside down and be tricky for you. Here, Ethan is right. It's this one. Ethan is right at the beginning, baby. Ethan is this guy. Look at that.
Let's do that again. And put your head on. Dig it.
Oh my goodness.
You are the fire. I hear that he farted.
He's farted. Mommy didn't hear that either. Mommy pretend not to hear anything.
I even hear that. Again. The eye.
What's that?
It's a booger.
His booger?
Oh, I got his booger.
You squeeze everything out. He doesn't have happy face. Look at his face. Is he happy?
No, he ate me.
He's very angry.
When I dig him out, he ate me.
Oh. Then put him back in the tummy. What for, baby?
For hiding it.
For hiding?
Put it in.
Put him in a cell?
For his empty.
Is it like that? Oh wow, it's setting up now. It's all done? You can like that?
Yeah.
Okay, ready to say goodbye.
Goodbye.